Hello everyone. Are you looking for best drones? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best drones of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Lenovo G6 Pro Drone. The Lenovo G6 Pro Drone is an advanced aerial photography drone designed for professional use, fitting well with your interest in high-tech gadgets. It features impressive specifications such as GPS navigation, 8K resolution capability, and 5G connectivity, ensuring high-quality HD aerial photography and video recording. Equipped with dual cameras, it enhances the capability for capturing detailed shots from different angles. Its obstacle avoidance system adds to its safety and usability, making it suitable for various aerial photography needs. With a range of up to 10,000 meters, the Lenovo G6 Pro Drone is geared towards professional users seeking reliable performance and high-definition imaging capabilities in their drone operations. Product 2. Product name Xiaomi V168 Drone. The Xiaomi V168 drone is a sophisticated aerial photography tool designed for professional use. It features advanced capabilities such as 8K resolution and 5G connectivity, ensuring high-definition footage and stable transmission. Equipped with GPS navigation, the drone offers precise positioning and route planning, enhancing flight stability and safety. Dual cameras enable omnidirectional views and high-quality aerial photography, catering to both photography enthusiasts and professionals. Additionally, its obstacle avoidance system enhances flight safety by detecting and avoiding obstacles in real time. The Xiaomi V168 drone is an original product that combines cutting-edge technology with practical features for aerial photography and videography applications. Product 3. Product name Lenovo LU200 Pro Drone. The Lenovo LU200 Pro Drone is a sophisticated aerial photography platform designed for professional use, featuring advanced capabilities such as 8K HD resolution, GPS navigation, and triple camera setup for omnidirectional obstacle detection. This drone is optimized for high-definition aerial photography and videography, offering precise navigation and obstacle avoidance to ensure smooth and safe operation during flights. It caters specifically to professional users who require superior image quality and reliable performance in various outdoor environments. Product 4. Product name Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for professional aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Featuring dual cameras capable of capturing 8K resolution footage, this drone is equipped with brushless motors for stable flight and precise control. It integrates GPS and FPV, first-person view, technology, enhancing navigation and providing real-time video transmission to the remote controller. The drone also boasts obstacle avoidance capabilities, ensuring safe operation even in challenging environments. With a flight range of up to 9,000 meters and a foldable design for portability, the Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone is ideal for capturing stunning aerial shots and exploring expansive landscapes. Product 5. Product name L900 Pro Drone. The L900 Pro Drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for aerial photography enthusiasts. It features a 4K HD camera with 5G Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, capability, ensuring high-quality real-time transmission of video and images. Equipped with GPS functionality, this drone offers precise positioning and navigation, allowing for stable flight and intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and Waypoint navigation. Its brushless motors provide efficient and quiet operation, while the foldable design enhances portability and ease of storage. With a control range of up to 1,200 meters, the L900 Pro is suitable for capturing stunning aerial shots and exploring the skies with advanced features tailored for both hobbyists and professionals alike.